SR Mooney 953, Mike.
Mooney, I'm sorry, Mooney 8953, Mike?
Negative, that's 953, Mike.
Mooney 953, Mike, roger, stand by. Cardinal 214, contact ground 125.9er. 125.9er, 214. Diamond Star 2 Mike Romeo, left down departure, approved, runway 19, clear for takeoff. 19, clear for takeoff, 2 Mike Romeo.
Está viendo este que se ve así como slanted down, huh? I was wondering if it rotates up.
Oh, no, that's... Ahí se queda. Okay. So prior to check, prior to takeoff, it's on 15 degrees flaps, which is 2 pumps, 1, 2. Ahorita, once we roll onto the runway, you're gonna turn the fuel pump. You're gonna turn the fuel pump on.
Okay.
Extra rich.
Los strobes,
Yeah,
you want me to turn them on? También?
I would just turn the landing light on.
Alright. And then make sure this is out and then that's full ridge, right?
Yeah.
All the way in?
Yeah, just like upper.
Mooney 39 Mike, runway 19, clear for takeoff, traffic upwind is left down departure.
Roger, clear for takeoff 19, we'll watch that traffic. 39 Mike.
Alright, fuel pump is on.
Okay. Light on.
Landing light
Cool.
is on. What do you usually rotate at?
I start pulling back like around 70 or so. Mixture rich. Push the button. Yep, there you go. Alright, go for it.
Full power.
You can start pulling back a little bit. Okay, cool. Be a little, yeah, there you go. I'll hold it right there. You heard the stall warning, right? So you want straight up. Nose down a little bit.
Tower, Skyhawk 19760, holding short of runway 19.
All right, gear up.
Gear up.
Skyhawk 19760, Mooney Tower, right close traffic approved, runway 19, clear for takeoff.
No, you just follow the watch a
Close
little
traffic
bit.
approved, runway 19.
We're in the green, so the flaps up. You just push up the little button. There you go.
Very nice.
Yeah, está fácil.
¿Con callos si vienes?
You want to climb at 110, so you can
110.
bring the nose down just a little bit.
Right there?
Yeah, I saw. I guess you can start turning a little bit now. And you can turn the fuel pump off, and you just watch your fuel pressure que no se caiga, that it stays in the green.
Got it. Do you have a trim for the nose? Push it in?
Yep, push it in. Push it in.
Okay.
Fuel pump on. That's the gear, don't worry about it. The gear speed is at 120.
Okay.
Okay, so you're at 120. You're down.
Down.
Verify green.
Yankee Bravo on left crosswind, Corona air traffic. Left crosswind. Tower traffic, 23 on the breakers are midfield on the down 125.
This is a lock, you can then do it. We gotta get to the weight, so pull back on the power. Pull back on the power and hold. If you have to trim, let me know. Because you're trimmed up right now. Okay.
¿Dónde está el traffic de left
So
crosswind?
he's behind us. Alright, I'm about to give you 15 degrees of laps.
Anchor arterial traffic, Yankee Bravo is turning left downwind. Corona.
Okay. We need to start descending. So, yeah. Start turning base. need trim, let me know. You need
Okay.
trim up?
No, it's fine. Right now it's good.
Okay. Hold this altitude, we're a little bit low and far from the airport. That's good. That's good in the power. You don't want to go above the whites on the speed, so.
Okay.
Alright, bring it down. Come back on the power. And just hold the altitude. So we need to be at 80 on the speed there. Okay, that's good. Just keep it at 80. And this one you play around a little bit with the power because it does. He nose down a little bit and it picks up speed pretty quickly. So.
Yeah.
Oh, they're just a little bit up. Okay, I'm gonna cut the power just a little bit lower. I just hold that right there. Oh, flaps up. Cool. Nice job. We'll just go to we can go to the next one.
Yeah.